If you've been building your own no-code Bubble app for even a few minutes, you will have become familiar with this black bar. We have just updated this page. Please refresh the page to get the latest version. You will not be able to use the app until you refresh. And whilst it's not like ugly or anything, did you know that you can change it? And here is a plugin we just want to quickly showcase to you that allows you to customize the "we just updated this page" banner that appears at the top of your Bubble app. And so this is the beautiful update app alerts by a plugin developer called Eli, and it's so simple to use. So in my Bubble app, I've installed the plugin, and then if I click through to the plugin page, and then go through to the service link, and then click on Launch Configurator, I can now customize the way that the banner is going to look in my app. And basically it provides me with a string containing the data of the position, the color, the layout, and I can copy and paste that into my Bubble app, into the plugin settings, and that's how I can change the look. So for example, I can say, let's have it as a column, let's have it in the top right, and then I'm going to make the button background color, say I'll go for try and get a nice like bluey purple, something like that, and then I should change the text color in that case to white. Okay, and then all I need to do is click copy token, go into my Bubble app, go into the plugin settings and paste in the token, and that contains all of the details the plugin needs in order to update the display of the banner. So let's go here, let's refresh the page. This is just one of my demo apps, and then let's update something in the app. So we'll add in their name into the text there, and you can see there you have it, a much cleaner, much more customizable, your page has been updated banner for your app. So it's at the moment it's priced just $3, and if you're wanting your Bubble app to stand out, maybe to distance yourself from some of the things that makes a Bubble app look like a Bubble app, this is a great plugin that you can play around with in just a few minutes. And did you know that we have over 100 Bubble tutorial videos, many of which can only be found on our website planetnocode.com. So do head over there if you are wanting to learn more about Bubble. If you'd like one-to-one support, you can also book a coaching session with someone like myself, and over Zoom we will work through the difficulties you've got on your Bubble app. I will teach you how to streamline your development and hopefully overcome any obstacles that you're facing.